How to understand Alamo rental requirements for age and payment. Hello and welcome back, everybody. Today we are providing you with a very clear overview. In order to do so, if you want to rent a car based mainly on Alamo's own policy, so let's just dive right into the video and get started. So let's head over to alamo.com. For that, you can go to alamo.com, and this is the particular site, and you can basically start, going ahead and rent a car. But in order to understand the requirements, these are some of the requirements. You can check it out. So for that, you can directly head over to their site, customer support, where you'll be finding all of the requirements given. So first of all, let's talk about age. So in Alamo, if you're between 21 and 24 years old, you can still rent, but Alamo will charge you a young driver fee. This is an extra daily charge. Also, if you're under 25, you may not be allowed to rent luxury cars. Big SUVs or premium vehicles, you will usually be limited to small or mid-sized cars, and the minimum age can be 18 or 19 in some places, but that depends upon local laws and locations. So you can just go and check it out. And if you want to start up a reservation, you can look out for this site and click on start up a reservation. And another thing we require is payment method. So in this is where many people get stuck. So Alamo usually requires a credit card and the driver's name at the counter. You need to present a valid driver's license, and the credit card is used for paying the rental and holding the security deposit. The deposit is not a charge, it's just blocked on your card and released after you enter your car safely. So, for example, they might ask for extra ID, proof of return travel, or they might allow debit cards at airport location. So, if you have only debit card, double check your location's rules before you go. And apart from that, make sure that you have enough balance on your card for deposit hold as well. And if you're under 25, expect extra charges. This is not normal. This is normal, not a scam. And to avoid surprises, you can always enter your real age and payment method when booking online. That way, Alamo shows you the correct price and available cars. And that is it, everybody. If this video helped you, drop a like. If you want more types of tutorials, you can just go and subscribe as well and comment below. And thank you for watching this video.